Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we have something truly special for all the jewelry designers, scrapbookers, and boutique owners out there. Get ready to meet the best necklace card punch available in the market. Introducing the Corner Necklace Card Punch by Easy Earring Cards. This ingenious tool is a game changer for anyone involved in jewelry design, crafting, or retail. Let's dive into why this product deserves a place in your creative arsenal. First off, let's talk about the design. Crafted with a blend of plastic and zinc alloy recycled materials, this punch is not only durable but also eco-friendly. Plus, who can resist that sleek purple color? Measuring at just 3 inches in length, 1.75 inches in width, and 2.1 inches in height, it's compact enough to fit into any crafting space. And since it operates manually, you have full control over the punching process. Now, what sets this punch apart? It's all about versatility. Whether you're creating custom jewelry cards for your own designs or packaging products for your boutique, this punch delivers crisp, precise cuts every time. With its removable corner guide, you can easily align your cards for consistent results. And don't worry about struggling to punch through different materials. This tool handles everything from cardstock to cardboard with ease. The benefits don't stop there. Think about the time and effort saved with this punch. No more struggling with scissors or unreliable punches. With the Corner Necklace Card Punch, you'll breeze through your packaging tasks with professional-looking results. With its impeccable quality, ease of use, and unbeatable value, it's no wonder why this punch has become a staple in crafting communities worldwide. And there you have it, folks. The Corner Necklace Card Punch by Easy Earring Cards is the ultimate solution for all your jewelry packaging needs. Don't miss out on elevating your crafting game to the next level. Get yours today and experience the difference for yourself.